Hey guys, this is the How Do I channel. Today what I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken and cheese quesadilla. Stay tuned. Alright, first what you're going to need, you're going to need a big skillet such as this. You're going to need a spatula. You're going to need some frozen grilled chicken like this in the cut up pieces. Select your favorite brand. You'll need some cheese, whatever kind of cheese that you like or you want to put on it. I use the Mexican style. And lastly, what you're going to need, you're going to need a large burrito tortilla. We want to start out by taking our grilled chicken and we want to put it in the microwave for a couple minutes. My microwave's 1000 watts. It takes about 2 to 2.5 minutes to get it to cook. So once that's done, I'll show you the next step. So while our chicken is cooking, or microwaving, what we want to do is we want to get our tortilla set up. Alright, what I like to do is I like to take one tortilla, fold it over in half, make kind of like a little crease on the end of it. I'll go ahead and put that in my skillet. Now what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese. And I like cheese, so I add a bunch of it. Spread it out all over. I'm going to go ahead and slide that on the burner. I'm going to turn it on very low setting at first. Let's check our meat. Looks like the meat is finished microwaving. There's steam coming off of it, so we're going to add this to our quesadilla. We want to take the meat, watch without getting burnt, but we want to take the meat and try to evenly spread it over it as much as possible. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Should look something like that. Now what I like to do is, like I mentioned before, I like a lot of cheese. If you wanted something else on this, now would probably be a good time to put it on there. I sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of the chicken as well. Now, I'm going to close it over, close the tortilla burrito shell over, press it down a little bit, and I'm going to let it cook for a couple minutes. Okay, so what I went ahead and did was I turned it up in between low and medium, about halfway. Mine goes from low to 9 or high. I put it in about 3. And I'm going to let it cook until I see the outside of all of this cheese that's not melted yet. When I see it start to melt, that's when I'm going to try to flip it and take a look at it, see what it looks like. Okay, right about now is when I normally check it. You can see that the cheese is starting to melt. I actually need both hands for this. What I do is I'll lightly lift up on one corner without getting burnt, slide a spatula underneath of it, and I'll check the back. This isn't done just yet. I'll let it cook for just a couple more minutes, and then I'll flip it. Alright, it's been another minute and a half or so. So I'm going to do the same method. Grab it by the corner without getting burnt. Slide my spatula underneath of it. And I'm going to check the bottom of it. This is perfect for me. I'll go ahead and flip it over. Let the other side cook for just a couple minutes. While I'm letting the other side cook, I'm going to go ahead and cut this this top part of it. Now I'm just going to use the spatula to cut it. I'll let it cook for just a couple more minutes. Let the other side get lightly toasted just like this side, and we'll be ready to eat it. Alright, it's been a couple minutes now. I'm going to take one little slice of it, lift up on it. It looks about the same as the other side. Nice and toasty. So I'm going to take it out of the pan. And there is the finished product. Delicious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you want to see more, like this video and subscribe to the channel.